See that jiggle in it? Little wobbly, little vibration after you tap it. Yeah, that's what we want to see. It's done. Hey there, I'm Cast Iron Katie. Doesn't that make a nice sound? Stove. Just a moment. So good. Hi there, I'm Cast Iron Katie. In this video, I am going to make a scrappy recipe of bread pudding. Bread pudding is one of those recipes that you can really tailor it to whatever your tastes are. There's a basic recipe, and then just add whatever you want to make it your own. I'm going to use a lot of leftovers from the lemon cake to show you how to make this bread pudding. Let's get started. So, of course, you're going to start with a bread. Whatever sort of bread you have, that's what you want to start with. I have leftover cake tops from our lemon cake, and I'm going to cube them up. This will be the base for our bread pudding. Run away from me. For our, I am making a mess. For our custard mixture, I've got a cup of heavy cream. I had a couple of egg whites. I'll go ahead and put in an extra one there. I had some lemon curd left over. Let's just mix that in. The lemon curd is going to add some sugar. It's going to add some butter. We'll whisk that together. We will pour our custard mixture over our bread, or cake in this matter. We'll mix it around and then let it soak in for about an hour. Okay. I'll let this soak and we'll come back and bake it. Our bread pudding has soaked for about an hour. The cake is really permeated with the mixture. We are going to bake it in the 5-quart outdoor Dutch oven. It's outdoor Dutch oven because it has the pegs on the bottom and the lip around the edge. We have a spacer down in there. We'll hold this up off of the bottom so the bottom won't scorch. Bake it at 350 for about 30 minutes. To get a 350 5-quart Dutch oven, we will place 8 on bottom and 14 on top. And if you want to see how I get to that equation, click on the video description. I'll tell you how to use briquette placement for temperature control. Come back every 10 minutes and rotate the oven and the lid, and we will start checking to see how it looks, probably at 20 to 30 minutes. 10 minutes has passed. I'm gonna rotate the Dutch oven. That'll prevent any hot spots from forming from a briquette over the food in one focused location for too long. Rotate the lid. Okay, we'll come back in 10 minutes. It's been 30 minutes. Let's see what we got. Oh, that looks pretty good. I'm gonna let it go another 5 minutes. I think that, let me do 5 more minutes. It's been 35 minutes. Let's see where we're at here. Oh, that's a little browner. That looks pretty good. All right, let's set that aside and let it cool down. All right, let me show you how you know it's done. Watch this. Watch for the jiggle. Ready? See that jiggle in it? Little wobbly, little vibration after you tap it. Yeah, that's what we want to see. It's done. That looks really good. Oh, there's lemon zest from the lemon curd, chunks of the cake. You really need to reuse your leftovers like this. This is exciting. Look at that. That looks so good. You could do day-old cinnamon rolls and raisins in this. You could use bread and other fruit, maybe some apricots, maybe anything that, any sort of spices, sweet spices, obviously. The combinations are endless for this bread pudding. Okay, this is my lemon leftover bread pudding. Very creamy and light. Holy cow, this is delicious. And a little pop of lemon every once in a while from that curd, like with the lemon zest. I think I like this better than the lemon cake, which was really rich and sweet. This one's a little muted. Wow. Cake tops. Use your cake tops to make bread pudding. Holy cow. Super moist, very good. This is a keeper. This is so good. Whenever you're putting your ingredients in, think about what you already have left. If you have, say, some leftover butter frosting, that could be your butter. That could be a substitute for the butter ingredient, like I substituted the lemon curd. I mean, there's so many ways that you can use this recipe. I'm really excited about it. This is Cast Iron Katie. Thanks so much for watching.